Hello, and welcome. Today's missive comes from Jamie in Opelika.
Hello, Jamie.
Jamie writes, Dear Hare and Hare, I am a recent graduate of a prestigious business school and have since moved to a new city for work. I like the job, and my co-workers are friendly, but I don't have much in common with them. It was always easy before, because in school I was surrounded by people like me. It made me realize that I don't really know how to make friends as an adult. So, how do I do it?
That's a great question, Jamie. How does one make new friends?
You've come to the right place.
There are lots of things you could do.
For example, you could join a sports league, if you're a meathead.
Or a supper club if you're a fan of gastronomy and stilted conversations with middle-aged people.
But Hare and I like to do it the old-fashioned way. Just go out into the world and find someone you'd like.
What is he doing?
It looks like he's feeding the birds. Are those pebbles?
I believe they are. I think we found a friend. Pardon me, sir, but you look like a man interested in ornithology.
What?
Birds.
I guess.
Good.
So, we're trampling through the underbrush, and we accidentally flush out a small cadre of goldfinches. Was it yellow siskins? Oh, how embarrassing that I don't remember. It's not surprising, I suppose. They both are from the genus Carduelis. Now, I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, Hare, I think you mean Spinus, not Carduelis, but I tell you that Spinus and Carduelis were actually merged in the modern taxonomy, and you know what? I'll just go get the guide. BRB. Like the kids say. Yeah, kids. Excuse me. You see, I was correct. Spinus actually merged into Carduelis as a subgenus in... Yes, they merged as a subgenus in 76. Now, as to whether it was a goldfinch or a yellow siskin, the world may never know.
So you see, Jamie, it's not impossible to make new friends. It merely requires that you put yourself out there. God knows that's difficult. It takes courage. But finding your inner strength is the first step to becoming an adult in this cruel, cruel world. Well, that's all the time we have for today. You're welcome, Jamie. Remember, keep sending us your letters. After all, we live to serve.